and welcome back. So today is the day. We are finally getting the DC5 back. Myself and Michael from Type 2 are going to be so happy to finally be getting this car back to Ryan, because we have not stopped hearing him complain about it for so long. But yeah, as you guys know, it lost second gear. Michael took it apart and it has lost third gear, or it's crunching in third. We will see more and make up there. We'll find out exactly what's happened and I'll be able to show you guys better when we get there. But yeah, my friend Garth is here and he's going to take us up to get it, and we'll have a chat with Michael when we get there and see exactly what he's done. It'll be really good to get the DC5 back. It's going to cost a lot of money to get back, but it'll be worth it, hopefully. So let's go and get it.
Yeah. Coming in, yeah. Flex, I just wanna win, yeah. LA BB, who we running with, yeah. 2233, I'm on 10 again, yeah. State your name, big bin dope on flame. I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again. I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping in bass.
Okay guys, so we are at Type 2 now. There's a few little last bits and pieces needing done to the DC5 before we can get it home. Michael's working on them now and we should be heading home shortly. And Michael showed us quite a few things that have been wrong with the DC5. Gonna get Michael to tell us exactly what he's done. The car was supposed to be dyno tonight, but I don't think it's going to be dyno tonight. We're running out of time and Michael's been here all day and I'm working in the morning, so I would like to get home sometime. The car runs and the car starts and we have a gearbox now. Michael showed me the gearbox and what happened to it and the gears that Ryan has destroyed. We'll get Michael to tell us what he has done to the car. And hopefully we'll have a DC5 tonight. Me and Michael will be so happy to stop listening to Ryan. Moral of the story, guys, do not miss second gear. Don't miss any gear at that, but do not miss second gear.
We're pretty sure that the main issue is the last person that fitted the clutch to the car. The main alignment shim in the crank was literally crushed, which caused a vibration which literally finished that off. So we pulled the gearbox out, opened it up, and immediately seen second gear totally gone, no teeth left, and then we pulled the rest of it apart and found that third gear sleeve was starting to go the same way, but that's obviously second to third gear shifts as well.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's just give him his dues, he does look after it. The oil that came out of the gearbox was really clean, just full of metal. So yeah, more or less all new bearings, all new seals, new second gear, new input shaft, new sleeves, yeah, and then we went ahead and put the Ultra Series Street onto it as well for him. So we'd actually planned to get on the dyno, but it is 10 to 9 on Friday night, and this car had to leave here. It's been here for like 2 months.
Been here a long time.
Yeah, so it was 4 weeks before we could even touch it, and then it was, what, 3.5, 4 weeks of waiting on parts to come from the factory.
With Ryan complaining.
With Ryan.
Ryan complaining a lot.
Complaining, I was going to say a lot. Yeah, so it's all done and dusted. Gears all feel silky smooth. So hopefully he can, well, we keep maintaining it the way he was. I don't put, what happened, I don't really put down to his fault. I think it's been, yeah, previous people at the car has caused it, that and normal wear and tear as well. The car does get a hard time, but he keeps the top of the oil changes, which has probably made it last longer than what it should have.
A little bit.
So we can maybe go home now and clean it and
look after it.
Maybe not give you such a hard time. Hopefully we'll pull the engine out of it.
Okay.
And sort out there's a few issues there. But I think this one had to be sorted because it actually broke. So
yeah.
It's pretty much fix me or
don't.
Or don't, and then you're stuck with
a broken gearbox.
A broken car, yeah. Yeah, try to look after it and start enjoying it again.
He will.
Nice to see videos out on the line again.
It will be good. We're sort of missing everything because we don't really like driving the S2000 like that.
Yeah.
DC5's a bit more fun.
DC5's a bit more fun. Yeah.
Someone asked me in the Q&A, S2000 or DC5?
S2000.
You think?
Yeah.
You go S2000? I was thinking DC5.
I prefer the EP, personally I prefer the EP3 over the DC5.
Do you?
Yeah, I'm not a big DC, I love the look of them. I think personally I think the EP3 drives better, but it's all personal preference.
DC5 or an S2000? DC5.
S2000. Really? Yes.
Or an EP3?
Or better chassis.
He said EP3 rather than DC5.
Because people hate this, I prefer the EP3 over the DC5.
You're joking.
Yeah, it's a better car. It drives better.
Way better.
I think the EP3 is more fun. So yep. That's just my personal preference. There's something about that. I don't really like the seat position. I don't like the way the gear stick and all is in them. I just prefer it all. I think the EP3 is just
the gear stick on the EP3.
Yeah, it's just everything.
The EP3 gear stick is good though.
Yeah.
I do agree.
You sit a wee bit high on EP3, but apart from that, yeah.
I don't think I would ever go back to an EP3 after PC back.
I don't know. I think they look better.
Yeah.
I love the look of the EP3, but I just think the EP3, just personally, I think it's more fun.
What about a JDM EP3? That's going to be a lot better than a normal EP3, no?
Not really, no. There's not a massive,
just
apart from the diff.
Yeah.
Apart from the diff.
And you pick an S2000 over a DC?
Yeah.
Would you pick K series over F?
Yes. I'd put a K series in the S2000.
Yeah.
That's what Ryan said the other day.
Yeah, 100% K series is S2000 diehards. Love the S2000 because it revs high. Yeah. Literally a couple of grand, and then we the K series rev out.
I don't think an F even would fight a K series. Like, they're just not as fun to drive. But maybe it's because S2000 is so long.
It's just like
a long geared car, I think.
Yeah, well, it's only a 4.4 final drive on them. If you shortened it, it would help. Go work on all of it.
Thanks, Michael. Bye, Michael. Say bye to YouTube. Great success. Great success.
Like the video.
Like the video. Subscribe.
Thumbs up.
Sub to Michael.
Hit the notification bell.
The notification bell. That one.
Pro now.
You are indeed. So that is us just leaving Type 2 now. My battery might die in this. Hopefully not. It's so good to finally have the DC5 back. It will be nice to have no complaining from Ryan, I think. Last night I was at work and the Mini decided that it was going to brake as well. I was going over a speed bump, and when I got to the other end of the speed bump, the car wouldn't get into gear at all. So I'm assuming the selector cable maybe has broke because it didn't make any noise, it didn't seem to crunch or anything. I was literally doing about 5 miles an hour and I just couldn't get it into second gear. So we have no cars at the minute. I'm driving my dad's car to work because all the rest of the cars are off the road. The S2000 is on the road, but it's going away now. Obviously we're going into the colder weather and we get a lot of ice and salt and stuff on our roads here, so I'm not going to be driving that. So it's nice to have something on the road. Hopefully Ryan can fix the Mini. He was talking about doing it tomorrow when I go to work, so let's see how that goes. So again, go and check out Michael's channel. I will link it in the description down below. Big thank you to Michael for sorting us out and getting us back on the road. He has been really good, even though Ryan has complained quite a lot. He has been really actually quite good. As always, let me know in the comments below what you thought of today's video. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.